In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows error code 0x800700707. So this should be a quick and easy process. Just go ahead, type File Explorer on your search menu, or you can access it by just clicking on it. Now go ahead, click on Open. After that, just make sure your USB is plugged in. In my case, my USB isn't plugged in, so I am going to show you how you can do it. So when you plug your USB, it will pop up here on this PC. You can go ahead, right-click on it. So just do the same thing. Right-click on it. And now rename it and name it Windows 11. So do this on your USB notch on your local disk. I've just shown you how to do it. After that, just right-click again on your USB. Then go ahead, click on Properties. And then after that, just make sure Allow all the files at the bottom is checked. And now go ahead, right-click on this again and click on Format. So after you click on Format, just follow the process. And you should be all good to go. Then restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and good process video. As always, thank you for watching.